Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, September 9, 2023. 4-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 3, 5, 9. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then third grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. First grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Column J, second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then third grid, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then first grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 3, 7. Second row, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Second row, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 6, 9. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. The 6 is confirmed here. Remaining numbers will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 6. 6 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 3, 7 will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column E and fourth grid, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then sixth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Fifth grid, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grid and second grid, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 8th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. Fifth grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fifth grid, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 8th grid, column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 9th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grid, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. 8th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 or 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The ninth grade. 3 numbers are remaining. Sorry, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. In this cell, the 7 is confirmed here. Column H we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. 5th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, sorry, 5th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. 5th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. 7th grade we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. 8th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th grade, column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th grade, column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. 5th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.